In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the WhatsApp Business on an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So all you have to do is find the App Store on your icons on the desktop. So it will look just like so. But if you can't find it for some reason, you just keep swiping it towards right until you see the app library, and from here you can find the App Store just by typing it. So once you find it, let's open it up, and on the bottom you will see this search bar. We will simply write here WhatsApp Business. Here it is. Click on that, and once it opens up, we will click on Get button next to it, and it will start installing it for you. Just wait for it to complete. Okay, so now it is installed. I'll click on the open button next to it, and after that it will show you this welcome screen, and we click on agree and continue, and after that you can continue with your phone number or connect it with the linked device. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.